if push notifications not working on your iPhone and your push notification not receiving, tap on settings. Here scroll down and tap on focus and tap on focus status and make sure that this is enabled. Do not disturb. Disable this feature from here. Again, tap on settings, tap on notifications and schedule summary. Make sure that this schedule summary is turned off. Thereafter, go back and scroll down and tap on that app which you push notifications not working and make check allow notifications is enabled. Tap on that app which you having issues. The next one is again tap on settings, scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and choose background app refresh and make sure that which app which you having issues, push notification not working. Simply background app refresh should be turned on either on Wi-Fi or cellular data and your push notification will